Hey guys, I'm showing you this gift for men. It's a connectable counter gauge woodworking tool or the gifts for dad or any other thing. So this is a great tool. It's a set of two. So there is a one 10 inches or the other one is the 5 inches. So you can see it here. This one, the first one is the 10 inches, the other one is the 5 inches. So you can adjust it the way you want and then you can use it. This is a great gift and this is a gauze. This can have a locking mechanism and you can see like it is taking the shape. So if you want to track anything or if you want to do any stuff or adjust, so you can do it with this one. So there is a locking function here. So you can do the lock and unlock, and the other one is the connection. So these two can be connected with each other. So this one is the long part. This is a 10 inches one. Same thing, if this metal part goes up and down, you can set it up by putting it down or the angle you want to put set. So this can be easily set. So it's not like anything bad. You can just use this knob and then just adjust it. So with this one, you can do all this plastic stuff. You can adjust the shape and size. You can take any shape. You can uh, you know just measure or track or trace whatever you want to do. So there are two different sizes, 10 and 5 inches, and both are really helpful. So both those tools are really helpful, and as said, like you can combine, you can lock, and you can set this thing up, and also like with the screw you can adjust the many other things. And these are the additional the things, the plastic clips that you can use, a measuring tape that comes with it, so you can do all your projects at once. So these additional clips are really helpful, that if something broke you can just take this out with a supplied screwdriver and replace it with this one. So it's a nice kit, nice gift, and nice tool for making and the measuring, and you can adjust this the way you want. So basically then yeah, a good set overall.